Good morning, students. Welcome to online political science class. Again, we are moving towards the same chapter, that is chapter 5, that is contemporary South Asia. In this chapter, we are taking up different countries. So we have finished up Bangladesh. How did Bangladesh was created and the relationship of India with Bangladesh we have done. Now I am taking up other country, that is Pakistan. So we all know about Pakistan. We know about Pakistan. Okay, Pakistan is our immediate neighbor and very much because Pakistan history has very much relevancy with us. Okay, because when India was created, at the same time Pakistan was also created. The British India quitted in 1947, and after that one, India was partitioned into two parts. One is Pakistan, one is India. So 14th August 1947, they became independent, and 15th August 1947, we became independent. Okay, now what is Pakistan? How did Pakistan created its history? Okay, because we all know that Pakistan has that time the famous creator of Pakistan, one important person, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Okay, and many other leaders who have went and felt through that they didn't wanted to live in India because India is not their original home, and they wanted a separate nation for themselves, separate Muslim nation for themselves, and that's how Pakistan was created. Pakistan created in 1947. After that, they formed the constitution, but within 2 years, constitution of Pakistan was again dismissed, and a new constitution was again formed after 2 years of independence. And then they went through. Pakistan has seen many types of instability in their political life. Okay, first of all, we have seen Ayub Khan ruling in Pakistan. Then came General Yahya Khan. They took this. Both people are not a prime ministership and not a presidential also, somehow like that, but in title they were president of Pakistan. After that, again during 1970s, other famous person came to power, that is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Okay, he came to power. He has became the prime minister of Pakistan because he has established the democratic types of government in Pakistan. He believed in democracy, but again, after some time, he was not allowed to rule. Again, some chaos came up in Pakistan, and many opposition parties, they didn't wanted Zulfikar Ali Bhutto to be there, and ultimately he was murdered. Okay, and then after 1970s के द्वारा नहीं 1970s के द्वारा नहीं 1977 के टाइम में फिर other leader came to power, and his name is General Ziaul Haq, and he again transformed democracy into military type. Okay, so Pakistan again witnessed military type of government. Again, after that thing, 1982, again after Ziaul Haq went up, in 1982, again Benazir Bhutto came to power. Election was held, and she established again democratic type of government in Pakistan. So General Ziaul Haq went up. Benazir Bhutto came to power in 1982. She ruled the country for some time. Again, she was ousted from her prime ministership because there again became a chaos, there again became a conflict. Okay, between her People's Party, Pakistan People Party, and other party, that is Muslim League. And then other leader came into power, that is Nawaz Sharif. So he came to power. She was ousted from the power, and he again election was held, and he came to power. He became the next prime minister of Pakistan, Nawaz Sharif. After that also, he ruled the country for some time, and again in 1999, again he was also ousted from power. Again, through a coup d'etat, forcefully he was ousted from power, and another person then came to power, and in 2001, and that his name is General Parvez Musharraf. He was a great army general of Pakistan, and he became the next president of Pakistan. 2001 to 2008, he ruled Pakistan with his army rule. Okay, some type of military rule in Pakistan, because he didn't believe in democratic rule. And his time only, Pakistan and India clash happened. Many things happened during his time only. After that, I think General Parvez Musharraf again ruled the country. 2008, again people didn't like him ruling the country because he was a type of military person. Military rule was going on in Pakistan, and people wanted democratic rule in Pakistan. So many chaos, many conflict arose in Pakistan that time. And again, an election was held up. He was ousted. He was not ousted from office. Actually, he was forced to quit down from office. Okay. So after that one, a general election was held in Pakistan, and in the general election, while campaigning was going on through it, General Pervez Musharraf after went out, and election went out, and then Benazir Bhutto, she was campaigning. Okay, she was campaigning for the election, and somehow she was murdered. She was murdered during the election campaign. So again, a chaotic thing happened in Pakistan. After that, after some time, again election was held up that time, and after election was held up at that time, her husband, okay, Asif Ali Zardari, he became the next president of Pakistan. That way, Pakistan came on one after the another, and sometime military rule, sometime a bit of pro-democratic rule, and sometime a bit democratic rule. Today, Pakistan, after a long time, Pakistan was now under Imran Khan, the present Prime Minister of Pakistan. We all know who is Imran Khan, the present Prime Minister of Pakistan. Okay, his political party's name is Tehreek-e-Insaf, and he is ruling Pakistan till today. And it is somehow democratic, it is somehow pro-democracy. So it's very much unstable type of political life in Pakistan, because people in Pakistan, not normal people like leaders and all these things, these people in Pakistan, they always wanted to have a military rule in Pakistan. Okay, not democracy, but somehow pro-democracy or anti-democracy or military rule or army rule in Pakistan, because they always believe not in democracy but in military rule in Pakistan. So Pakistan is an unstable type of government which is ruling from 1947 till today. Okay, the way we see India as a democratic country, every time election is happening, every time something stability is going on in India, but that type of things is not seen in Pakistan. Okay, so Pakistan is a very type of unstable type of governmental system that is going on, and the people who are coming to power, they are ruling the Pakistan as the way as they like. It is not common people's decision, but the way they like to happen in Pakistan. Okay, so we have started a bit about Pakistan. From that, we will continue about how Pakistan created problem for India, and how did the relationship between India and Pakistan became worsened day by day, and sometimes also good, but basically in a bad type of conditions. Okay, so for today that's all, and we will continue the video in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.